Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today's video is going to be a quick speed clean of my apartment. So I do work full time, so this clip was taken right after I got home from work. There were a couple things that I was getting started on, and then later on in the video I end up finishing my cleaning after dinner. So I end up cleaning up the kitchen and everything like that. But I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and I love the music that I put to these clips of cleaning. They're some of my favorite songs, so let me know in the comments down below if you enjoy them too. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy cleaning videos like this one, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. I post new videos every Tuesday, and it's all about cleaning, decluttering, and organizing. So I hope that you guys enjoy.
But something knocked you out. You felt your limitations and filled your mind with doubt. You wanna stay chill right now and don't let your eyes off the prize. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I said, and I said, see it in your mind, trust that have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. If not says who, yeah, you can make it too. If not says who,
I know you've been down thinking about him again.
Right now, I am just getting a head start on the kitchen. I knew that we were going to be eating dinner soon and that there would be quite a mess to clean up, so I definitely wanted to go ahead and get the dishwasher unloaded, so that's just what I'm doing here.
You can put on your dress, we can play your favorite song, and I will take care of you, care of you, care of you. This is what we need, this is what we have to do. Tell me, can you feel it too, feel it too? Baby, you should go work that body. You should go work that body. The body won't stop till we're great and old. Maybe for a second we can lose control. You should go work that body.
On this night, we ended up making homemade fettuccine alfredo, and by homemade, I mean that we completely made the fettuccine sauce from scratch, and it was so delicious. Neither me nor Matt are good cooks at all. We're actually pretty bad at cooking, mostly me, but we completely killed this recipe, and I love how it turned out. So it was very, very delicious, but there were tons of dishes to get cleaned up.
Dancing to your favorite song. Everybody will sing along, sing along, sing along. So put your hands up. This is what we have to do. Tell me, can you feel it too, feel it too? Baby, you should go work that body. You should go work that body. go work that body. You should go work that body. The body won't stop till we gray and old. Maybe for a second we can lose control. You should go work that body. Baby, you should go work that body. You should go work that body. The body won't stop till we gray and old. Maybe for a second we can lose control. You should go work that body. Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun.
Since I was working with raw meat on this day, I was working with raw chicken breast. I used the Method Anti-Bac in the citron scent, and I love it so much. I've actually used the bamboo scent before, and I'm not a fan. It's just like way too strong for me, and it takes my breath away. But I love how this scent is. So if you have also used it, let me know in the comments down below, and let me know what you think of it. But other than that, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on my future ones. Bye!
'Cause we only